little trapped here, so. Oh. God damn it, my feet are gonna get wet. Ah, it's cold as a fucker. Ah. I'm gonna take my shoes off. They're wet now. Pull up those pants. Man, this water is high. And it's cold. Mostly it's cold and high. Damn, dude. Oh. Damn. This little area gets really violent. I don't really care about the pants getting wet. Man, this water is high today. Yeah, it is. Man, this water is high. Or the surge is high. Oh, shit. Actually pretty interesting. What is this? It's a little cold, but it's not the worst. Wow, that feels weird, dude. It's okay if my feet get wet. Alright, this is just weird. Oh, I think I got a good break right here. Look at that. Damn, dude. This water is cold. Wow. The sand is... That crash is hard right here. Doesn't usually come this high though. Oh shit. Yeah, it doesn't need to come this high, does it? Oh shit! That's okay, pants, they're fine. They'll dry, they'll dry. Man, these waves are kicking. El kikis. Damn, look at the water. How high it's going. Oh, shiznit. That crash is pretty hard. Whoa. Wow, that crashed hard. Wow, that was hard crash, dude. No shit. Okay, that's actually decent. Gosh. Oh, that's very light. Look how light that is. Can't tell when the big one's gonna hit. That crash is hard. Oh shit. Oh! That's a lot of water. Dude. Oh shit. Damn. The ocean's on the ocean. Wow, this thing's eating it fast. Little wave. Little wave. Big wave. Well, you may think it's quiet, and then all of a sudden, they're very smart on when they did this. Damn, look at that wave. Oh shit. Oh, look at all of it going way back there. Look at that. Oh, that's not good. It went way down. Uh-oh. I like to see the wave creeping up. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Man, you just can't get no peace with all that LA traffic. Yeah. Thank God this is an emptier beach. But at the same time, I mean, you either get the people or you get the airplanes. You can't get both. You can't get one or the other. No. No, what I meant to say is, you have your choice. Choose your choice of noise. Do you want airplanes or do you want people? Aha! That's a good one. Yeah. Airplane or people? I'd rather pick the airplane. Because you can't get both. You can't get always what you want. You can't always get what you want, but you can try sometimes. Oh shit, that's rough right there. Holy shit. Damn! What the fuck? Damn it, I was just leaving too. How dare you? Oh, this is fucked up. Right at the last minute, you got me, you motherfucking wave. How dare thee? Oh, my pants were just about to dry. Fucking got me at the last second. Oh my god, that wave is huge. Look at that wave. Damn, dude. Those waves are huge. Look how big they are. Oh shit. Look how big the waves are. Wow. I ain't getting caught right here. It's beautiful though. Well, they can't really get me too high. Unless I could go back to my knees. If it does get me. Look how big they are. Those are like 6 swell, 6 foot swell, 7 foot swell right there. Maybe 8. They're kind of high. Like, look how far back it's going now. They weren't going this far back earlier. Look how high it went. I gotta move. I got to move. Gonna get me. Maybe not. Okay. Alright, it won't get me right here. Looks like it stops right here. I hope I didn't just ruin the cord. Damn it. Now I gotta go rinse off. Good exercise. Look how big the waves are. Look how far back they're going now. They changed it really, really fast. What is that black shit? I don't even want to know. I like how quiet it gets right now. Right there it's quiet. And then it gets loud. Oh shit! What the fuck? What is that? What the fuck? Wow, that went far, dude. That went far in. It's going a lot further than it should be. How dare you? Look how far up it went. They weren't like that earlier. Pretty far in. What is this black shit though? What is it, oil? I don't see that in Hawaiian beaches. Man, this is just not clean. But I can't be sure. Man, look how big that wave is though. Ooh, that was loud. You hear that crash? That was a big crash. Yeah, he's riding the waves over there. Look at that. Oh, he fell off the board. Holy shit! Whoa! Oh shit, dude! I don't think I've seen it go this far in. Damn! That doesn't happen all the time. Jeez. Look how far it went in. Almost to the fucking sidewalk. Oh man, oh what the hell? Oh, not as far, not as far, not as far. That's pretty good. Fucking going that far inland. Wasn't doing that earlier. Came at a good time. These waves are huge. Oh. That looks cool. How dare you barely touch me? Oh fuck, I just put these dirty ass shoes on my fucking... Let's see if it does that again. That is so cool. Wow, it went really far in. Sneaker wave. Look how beautiful that is. Damn, dude! I'd be freaking out if it went all the way to the freaking... I don't think it'll go that far. That'd be cool though. That's where I'm pretty far in, man. Impressive. If it went all the way to the trash can, I would be real surprised. Here we go. That's a big wave. Uh-oh. Here we go. Maybe. Oh. Nope, 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 nope. Crash at the end. Just depend. Oh, damn. That's a pretty big crash right there. dare you look like that? Damn. Crashing pretty close, you know. That was close. Oh, look at you, look at you, look at you, look at you. Hello. Hello.